Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolates. First, choose premium chocolate with at least 70% cocoa solids for superior flavor. Chop it into small, uniform pieces. This ensures even melting. Use a double boiler or microwave on low power to gently melt the chocolate. Stir frequently until it reaches approximately 115 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a smooth, lump-free consistency. This careful initial step is crucial for perfect results. Next, we tackle tempering, a vital step for professional-looking chocolates. Tempering prevents dull, streaky bloom and gives your chocolates a beautiful shine and satisfying snap. After melting, cool the chocolate to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring continuously. Then, gently reheat it to a working temperature of 88 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature control aligns the cocoa butter crystals, creating that perfect texture and appearance. Now for the fun part, molding your chocolates. Select clean, dry silicone or polycarbonate molds for best results. Pour the perfectly tempered chocolate into each cavity, ensuring it coats all sides. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, which prevents imperfections. If adding fillings like ganache or caramel, do so now, leaving a small space for the chocolate base. Finally, the cooling and unmolding process. Allow your chocolates to set completely in a cool, dry place, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 30 minutes. Avoid the refrigerator, as the humidity can cause condensation and unsightly sugar bloom. Once fully set, gently unmold your beautiful creations. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for optimal freshness and enjoy your homemade gourmet chocolates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.